Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert text to PDF using in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first open your Excel document. Firstly, then show the salary chart. This salary sheet is the PDF to text PDF is convert in the save file. Going to the file menu option and click for the save as option. Now click for the browse option, then click for the save as type option, then click for the PDF option. Now for click and click for the file name option. Now salary. Now click for the save option. That's okay. Then show the convert text to PDF in the using in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.